Again?
The National Weather Service has issued a flood warning for the following Pennsylvania counties: Lycoming, Northumberland, and Union, effective until tomorrow at 11:21 a.m. The flood warning is now in effect until early tomorrow afternoon. The flood warning continues for the West Branch, Susquehanna at Montgomery, until Saturday afternoon. At 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Friday, the stage was 20.0 feet. Flood stage is 20.0 feet. Minor flooding is occurring, and minor flooding is forecast. Recent activity: the maximum river stage in the 24 hours ending at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Friday, was 20.0 feet. Forecast: the river is cresting near 20.0 feet late this evening, and will begin to slowly fall. Impact at 16.0 feet. River interests are encouraged to monitor conditions for further rises in water levels. Impact at 17.0 feet. The Riverside Campground and the Little League Complex are affected by high water. Impact at 20.0 feet. Ellis Parkway floods, limiting access to the Riverside Campground office and the campground. Impact at 22.0 feet. South Main Street and Ellis Parkway are flooded.
Tonight.